Is the Huawei P20 eSIM compatible? Unfortunately, the Huawei P20 does not support eSIMs. Compatibility with eSIM technology depends on the specifications that the manufacturer assigns to each device. The Huawei P20 lacks the necessary components to activate this functionality. However, eSIM technology is rapidly expanding, and more smartphones such as the Huawei P40, the Huawei P40 Pro, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, or the Huawei Pura 70 Pro are supporting it. If you're unsure whether or not your phone supports eSIMs, visit Holafly.com to check its compatibility, as you can see in the video. If your device doesn't appear on the list, it means it's not eSIM compatible.